Hi, my name is Sarah. Welcome to the Panic Mode tutorial. Panic Mode is designed exclusively for symptom entry. It is ideal for users who are less comfortable with technology, such as young children and older adults. Regular 12U12 app pages are not included, helping to keep personal information secure. Let's walk through an example. This afternoon, my little brother Ben came home from school and told Mom that he had a stomachache earlier in the day. Mom asked him when it happened, how severe it was, and exactly where it hurt. Unfortunately, Ben couldn't remember the details. To help Ben record symptoms immediately the next time they occur, Mom can set up Panic Mode on his device for him. Let me show you how. To set up Panic Mode, go to the profile page. Select the sub-user you want to set up Panic Mode for. In this tutorial, I'll select Ben. Next, tap the Panic Mode button. In the Panic Mode pop-up window, type stomachache. Then select stomachache on abdomen left. This is the area where Ben usually experiences stomach pain. Then tap Save. Panic Mode is now installed and activated for Ben. You'll notice that the blue 12U12 app icon changes to a colorful icon. Now let me show you how it works. Tap the colorful icon to open the Panic Mode screen. Tap the stomachache icon. Select the severity level. For example, 5 moderate. If the stomachache happened earlier, Ben can tap the time button to adjust the occurrence time. Then tap Save. That's it. The symptom episode has been recorded. The next time Ben experiences a stomachache at school, he can record it himself immediately. Recording symptoms in real time improves accuracy, especially when details might be forgotten later. Panic Mode can include more than one symptom. Ben's rashes sometimes flare up while he is at school. Let's add that symptom for him. Tap the Add icon. In the pop-up window, type rash. Select rash on forehead middle. Tap Add. Done. Ben can now record both stomachache and rash using Panic Mode. If Ben no longer needs to track a symptom in Panic Mode, it can easily be removed. For example, to remove rash, tap the rash icon. Then tap the minus icon and select Yes in the confirmation prompt. Done. The rash symptom is no longer displayed in the Panic Mode list. Now let's verify that Ben's stomachache entry was saved successfully. This can be viewed in the full version of the 12U12 app while signed in as the main user. Let's check using Mom's 12U12 app. Go to the Edit page. Select Ben. Symptom. Today's date. And one day. Then tap Search. Great! The stomachache entry has been saved successfully. Want to learn more? Check out our other features on the menu bar. Click the section Titles to watch more tutorial and how-to videos. Thanks for using the 12U12 app.